Hey, what's up, guys? Master Gaming here. Today we're gonna be playing Lakeview Cabin. I've completed most of these. I know how to play it. I'm just gonna have fun, try it out. And I want you guys to watch it. I haven't posted in a while, but let's get started. Okay, so we're not gonna start off with the first movie. We're gonna start off with the first. We're gonna start off with the menu. Yes, complete the menu. Take this old man from. That's the wrong button. That's popcorn. You can really hurt someone's popcorn right away. Yeah, it really hurts, doesn't it? You lost your hair. Yeah, you're gonna go. Just go. Ah! Open the box! Open the box! Oh, he's dead. My clothes are on. My clothes are still on and I'm trying to take a crap right here. Yep, that's how things work in this game. And that's totally how crap sound. He dead? Oh, yeah, he's dead. I killed him. Yeah. You suck, so go in the ladies' room. Where's the shotgun shell? Give me the shotgun shell. Okay, I'm ready. Hello? 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 Hello, is anyone here? Delivery for Mr. Idiot? Oh, I missed. Let me past you! Wait. He's super far behind me. If I run over here and run back, he's much quicker. How? Oh no, he's gonna kill me. Ah, it's a killer. Maybe if I just go right here, they'll never get me. I'm out. Let's go watch a movie. Huh? What? Ah! Apparently popcorn really hurts people, so let's go for a popcorn at him. Oh, now he looks ugly. Here, eat some more popcorn. Popcorn here. Oh, popcorn. Okay, here, just have the whole thing. Watch I go all the way over here. He's this slow, but like when you go back, how's he already here? And nothing on the screen about his speed. He'd be here. You probably don't know where I'm talking about, but We give you a gift to spare us. Ah, spare us! I'm not in here. It's up to the black man. No, it's still up to the hobo. It's up to the hobo. Okay, so I got the shotgun, and I found another shotgun shell. It was like sitting right here. And now I'm ready. Now I'm ready. I'm ready now. I'm ready. I did it! I did it! What the heck? Ah! At what cost? At what cost? Okay, there. Okay, so